How to manage group membership activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage group membership activity on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the storylines here and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and here we'll find settings and go down, click activity log, click here groups, and here you will find this one, group membership activity. Click on it and here you can manage it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.